Jabreshwar Temple is the one rock wonder amidst the hustle and bustle of the tiny town of Phaltan in the Satara district of Maharashtra. For real though, the temple is right in the middle of the street. From inside, the temple looks like any other Mahadev temple. We've got a Nandi, Nag Devta, a small altar dedicated to Vitthal Rukmai, and a gorgeous Shivling. Also, Ganpati Bappa Moria. As somebody who appreciates every form of art, I was instantly amused by the mural. Needless to say, even though the temple is right in the middle of the street, surrounded by eateries, garment stores, and grocery shops, मंदिर के अंदर जाते ही you will be hit with this wave of calmness. This temple wasn't originally a Mahadev temple though. Yep, this used to be a Jain temple. A Jain temple dedicated to the 23rd Tirthankar. और फिर मैंने मंदिर को गौर से देखा. And I finally noticed the architecture. It was so obvious. There are carvings of Jain monks on the entrance of the temple. Turns out, this temple was built in the 12th or the 13th century. There used to be an idol inside, mostly of the 23rd Tirthankar. The Mughals invaded and demolished the temple. There used to be a shikhar on top, which is missing. It was partly repaired by the Marathas, and later on they placed a shivling inside. उस दिन से ये एक हिंदू मंदिर बन गया. Crazy. Formerly called as the Madhoji Manmohan Rajwada after the ruler who built it, is right next to the Jabreshwar temple. Phaltan was ruled by one of the oldest Maratha dynasties called the Nambalkars. They have a historic connection with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The first wife of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Saibai, was from Phaltan. She was actually the princess of Phaltan. And she probably lived in this exact palace and came to this beautiful temple to worship. The palace combines Maratha and British architecture styles. A certain part of the palace is open to the tourists. Unfortunately, हम वहाँ नहीं जा पाए. We were in a hurry since we had to return back to Mumbai before the sunset. This Ram Mandir showcases excellent woodwork, which is a speciality of Maratha architecture. कुछ याद आया? देखा लगा? They shot the Rangamari music video from the Marathi period drama called as Anandi Gopal. And I would love to appreciate how authentic the movie is. And you know what they say about Phaltan? Phaltan is Maharashtra's unexplored rural paradise. That's what they call it. Needless to say, I would love to be here again. And I would love to explore all the unexplored parts of Phaltan. I love history and I love to know the lore. So yeah. That's that. That was my Phaltan trip. See you later.